Warm greetings from Saintgits College of Engineering. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles which are widely used now in our day-to-day life applications. Actually, they are flying robots. They are powered aerial vehicles that can fly autonomously or can be piloted remotely. Let us explore the airlifting principles of drones. In order to airlift an object, a force which exceeds the force of gravity acting upon it must be created. Such a force can control its upward and downward movement. Drones use motor and propeller rotation to create this force against gravity. The spinning of the drone propeller blades push the air down. By Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Therefore, as the rotor pushes the air down, the air pushes up the rotor. The faster the rotor spins, the greater the lift and vice versa. Now, we are going to explore the airlifting principle of drones through a very simple hands-on project, the single motor drone. You can implement this very easily and can verify the airlifting principles.